Boys. Who is ready? It's finale day, man. It's finale time. Ugh. I'm going with Neji. Okay, I'll put a bet of $1 million that it won't be Neji. Because he's not in the finale. He didn't make it. He lost. Listen, bro, I don't know. Like, I didn't want Minato to win. I'm kind of happy Minato's not in the finale. I wanted Rock Lee to win yesterday. Chat, everyone get your snacks together, boys. All right? You have a minute because we don't have to set up a bracket today. We already have the bracket. It's the finale. So we're just watching this thing. So we don't have to do the first half an hour of like boring stuff in the stream. I'm waiting for my Chick-fil-A to get here. It's right down the street. And then we can get started. But, you know, I need my food, man. I can't do this without food. Did I rearrange the brackets? Slightly. I'll show you guys, though, when we start it. I won't show you the bracket just yet, boys. But I can tell you guys who's in it. Oh, my gosh, bro. Dude, why do I hate DoorDash, bro. I always have problems. Like, do people not know how to read a GPS, dog? My dude's lost and he's asking me for directions. Bro, you're working DoorDash. Where's your GPS at? I'm sorry. I have no sympathy and no, like, people could say service work is hard, right? Nah. I worked DoorDash. That shit's easy money, bro. If you have common sense, bro, that shit is easy money. He's in the wrong, he's a neighborhood over. Like, bro. Like, I got my watermelon and chicken wings ready. What? Bezzy Poo, I'm asked start Naruto Tournament Season 2. Season 2 will not happen because the next series will be on Storm Connections. We'll do it again, but not on Storm 4. Dude, I want Lee to win